Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing cat cow. I'm going to be sharing with you all of the incredible benefits of this pose, and I'm also going to be sharing with you the top tips on how to do it. Cat cow is amazing at strengthening your abs and your core. It's also great at improving your digestive system and helping your body release toxins quicker, therefore aiding in weight loss. It's also really good if you suffer from painful period cramps, and it also helps to calm stress and mild depression. Also helps to strengthen the spine and can relieve backache. So I'm basically going to show you how to do it. You basically, as you round the spine, you exhale, yeah? And then as you come up, you basically inhale. And then as you round the spine, tucking your chin to your chest, you exhale, and you kind of like you suck your navel in towards your spine, and that way you really experience all the benefits on your digestive system. It's really good for uplifting your mood as well. If ever you feel like overwhelmed or stressed or just like negative, it literally puts you in a new mindset as you're literally breathing so consciously and you flow with your breath. Inhale deeply and feel the oxygen nourish you as you do, and then exhale, and you can also like roll back into child's pose, really breathing into the back, opening up and strengthening the spine. You can also try to make it one big fluid movement, basically like rolling your spine all the way forward back into the cat's cow. If this is too much for you today, you can also just stick with the regular cat's cow stretch, which is you're still going to experience all the incredible benefits. It's really good for toning and defining your abs. Also really good for detoxing the internal organs such as the intestines, and I really love that it puts you in a whole new mood if ever you're stressed or at unease. Just get into your cat's cow and watch your mood change, you guys. Literally feel the oxygen nourish each and every single individual cell within your entire being. It really helps when you synchronize your breath. It's so beneficial for your body and your mind. It powers up your brain and improves your focus, your coordination, and basically your mental stability. It also helps to improve blood circulation between your whole entire spine running up to your brain, and it can also relieve backache. I feel like each day we could aim to do 10 each day and watch how it changes everything around us, from our mood to our health to like our outer world, because remember, everything starts from within. And you can also like try to add more fluid movement like I'm doing here. I'm just flowing with the breath, really moving the spine, and then roll it all the way back into child's pose. And have fun with it, you guys. Like really focus on how it makes you feel. When you synchronize the breath, it's so amazing. It's like you're utilizing the breath, and you just like you tap into that power, your inner strength. And remember to have fun and focus on how it feels. Enjoy your practice and remember to smile and show gratitude, love, and appreciation for your practice and your body. These waves feel literally incredible, like you're flowing like the ocean, allowing yourself to feel liberated, and remember that you are free. You are as free as you feel and choose to be. These are extremely calming on the mind and the brain, and they also help to increase body awareness. But don't worry if you can't do them. Everything takes time and practice, and be patient with yourself. I really hope this video helps you guys, and please leave me a comment if you find it useful. Wishing you nothing but peace, love, and light. I shall see you guys in my next upload. And don't forget to do your cat's cow. I promise you will love it.